Alchemist minglawashi supply and demand so that collocation me only go below pimales rally to do pian patchy bima no. The supply of a thing in the phrase supply and demand is the amount that will be offered for sale at each of a series of prices. The demand is the amount that will be bought at each of a series of prices. So supply surabale, demand surabale, so be not your no. Supply surabale, demand surabale, so supply gajaro, pain young come, no. Pain and offer loan amount to you. Demand gajaro, where it come. Yare, where it come, where it see no. Price view your taraba. The principle that value depends on supply and demand means that in the case of nearly every commodity, more will be bought if the price is lowered, less will be bought if the price is flat. But the principle is Joya solution. Again, ya say no at the tare so and ya women. Say no blue people so you know where I am mainly. Champion libel to your champion it my lowered lowered in a champion meeting. The lowered in a champion vika raised shin. Or say no meaning so you know would say cheat to our say that was where I made. Therefore, sellers, if they wish to induce buyers to take more of a commodity than they are already doing, must plan its prices. A jungle sellers, they are who will get that. Where Tanyai, where kinds in solution to a follow young, yet say no new. Reduce, say show young, say the tires when you wear up on young, or not demand your tire. Price lower payment, so we will buy more. So, reduce little channel, no? But so reduce battalion. If they raise its price, if they raise its price, they will sell less. Okay, we say no, say GS, we never young, so they shall be, say show young, no? If there is a general falling of it in demand due, say, to trade depression, seller will either have to reduce price or put less on the blend. They will not be able to sell the same blend at the same price. No, reduce price low mala, put less on the market. They will not be able to sell the same at the same price, same quantity. Look at the same price net beyond 9 so that the bottom is a quantity later. Okay, so similarly with supply at a certain price, a certain amount will be offered for sale. At a higher price, more will be offered at a lower price length. If consumers want more, they must offer a higher price. If they want less, they will probably be able to force prices down. That is the first result of a change in demand and supply. About your Ajanya Pons and Move Bonatrua, Yanya or low chain solution at all, say you then. Where will we yam is say you then like it. Not a man who never low chain so no say you short chat. The Ajanya in your Tara, so Ituari, confirm low light or we try at Hilly along my money, Jisuba.